The court order, after a very lengthy hearing by the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, they have passed an order which is very clear. The court has said that they have to count whatever the rejected votes were there. I think if my memory was right, it is around 279 votes which were rejected at that time of the counting. Sri Jivaraj went to the High Court of Karnataka challenging that one. Court has passed the order saying that if at all there is any discrepancies found in the rejected votes, entire postal ballot has to be recounted. This is a very clear order of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. Then if you find after the recounting of the postal ballot, you have to declare the result. This is the clear-cut verdict and the direction of the Supreme Court. What court has said, I will read for your information. After the re-verification as stated above, if any rejected votes do not suffer from any substantial defect, they shall be included in recounting, and the returning officer shall recount all the postal ballots and issue the fresh declaration only if there is any change in the number of votes secured by the petitioner respondent number 1. So once again, only 2-3 this line I will read. Returning officer shall recount all the postal ballot, issue a fresh declaration if there is any change in the number of votes secured by the petitioner or respondent number 1. What does it mean? He shall. He shall means it is the direction. If the person who is in charge for that constituency, if he doesn't do that, it is a contempt of court. He should immediately do it. I would also like to urge the CEO of the Election Commissioner in Karnataka, Election Commission CEO in Karnataka, he should take note of this judgment. There is no confusion in the order. He should immediately declare